Hi everyone, welcome back to Crypto Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how you can sign out of Sui Wallet application using your iOS device. So in order to do that, first of all, open your Sui Wallet application. After you are inside the home page of Sui Wallet, within the application you will not be able to see any kind of a log out or sign out button. So in order to log out of your wallet, you'll simply need to force close your Sui Wallet app. Swipe up from the bottom of your iOS device and this will bring up the app switcher. Push off your Sui Wallet app upwards in order to force close your app. Now once you force close the Sui Wallet app, if you go ahead and launch it open again, it'll then ask you to scan your Face ID or biometrics, which means unless you scan your Face ID or your biometrics, you will not be able to log into your wallet. After you sign in with your Face ID or biometrics, you will then be able to access your wallet just like that. So that is how you can sign out, or in this case, let's say force close your Sui Wallet application, since there is no particular sign out or log out button within the app. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.